My name is Fraser Morrison. I'm the CEO and founder of 1,000 Steps. What we want to do over the next 100 days is take you on a journey to understand sales from a practical and outcome-based perspective. 1 minute a day for 100 days with 100 skills that come from that. Today, again, I'm still in Paris and we're going to talk about research for an event. Before I go to any event or any meeting, I do research on the people, I do research on the topic that's happening, and I do research on the event itself. And I'm looking for a variety of things. I'm looking for what's going on, I'm looking for topics for conversation, and I'm looking to see who's organizing it, whether I can reach out to them beforehand and have a dialogue. I'm doing these things because I want to prepare properly. I want to make the event work. This little thing that I'm doing here is brilliant, especially the sending an email to the event organizer saying, looking forward to seeing you, because when you say hi to them, they are going to say to you, you're the person that sent me the message, and they're going to appreciate that. Your task for today is pick an event and look for the 3 things that I've just put across to you there and write them down as a practice session.